So there's a lot of different kinds of journaling. Nature journaling is just one of those. And nature journaling has been growing a lot over the years, but there's another type of journaling that is even blown up quite a bit more, and it's the bullet journaling. And I've always been interested in different ways of organization and journaling, and I've tried a few of them. And just recently I decided that I'm going to try bullet journaling. So I actually ordered this special journal for bullet journaling from the bullet journaling website. And I use these moleskins for a lot of my planning, as you know. And then I have my big journals here, these Stillman and Byrne journals, where I do my nature journaling and my gratitude. So I have like a morning journaling practice. And so that has evolved quite a bit over the years, but I've always been a proponent of kind of just having one journal. And this is more of my planner, and this is a calendar. This is one of those moleskins where you have the week over here, all the days of the week, and then you have empty space here. And it also has yearly views, such as this, where you can see each month that way. And then it even has for the future year, it has a small version like this. So that's been helpful for me for big picture planning, and it's easy enough to carry one of these in my pocket. So I'm gonna be doing a review of this, an unboxing and review, and as I experiment with this system, I'm going to keep you posted on how that goes and what I think about it. Also, I'm going to see if there's ways to combine elements from bullet journaling and nature journaling, or vice versa, and see what I can learn from that. So it looks like it's made by this company right here. I've seen them before. They make moleskin type notebooks of various sizes, but this one has been custom made for bullet journaling, and it has that imprinted in the front there. And it came pretty quickly. I ordered it directly from the website, and if you go on Amazon or other places, you can see there's a lot of different types of journals that people use for bullet journaling, and I decided just to go ahead and get this one straight from their website. So let's see what this is like in the plastic. There's a pretty good feeling elastic thing here, and this is the stiff, relatively stiff sort of faux leather binding, stiffer than these moleskins that I like. Having a little bit of flexibility is good if it's something that you carry in your pocket. I think for this, flexibility is less important. One thing I want to point out about round corners, a lot of people don't talk about round corners, make it easier to put it in and out of pouches or pockets, whereas pointed corners such as this, oftentimes in your satchel, they will catch. So there's stickers for labeling the front of your journal and for labeling the spine. That's kind of useful. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of journals back there, and I've experimented with different systems for labeling them to make it searchable. I don't know if I would want stickers on the spines, but having information on the spines, maybe if you handwrite it yourself with like paint pens. The spine is often the part that you can see when the journals are all stacked up, so that's a potentially useful thing. I mean, if you had 50 of these, it might get kind of confusing. I don't know how much in bullet journaling you need to look those things up. So it looks like here in the front, there's a key that describes the basic symbols that are used in bullet journaling. It also has a space here where you can actually make up your own symbols. I think that's cool. It doesn't require you to do, oh, look at that. There's a little bit of damage here. So that's weird. I'm not sure how this happened. It doesn't look like it happened in shipping actually, but there is some like folding right there, and it's been bent there, and I mean, it's purely aesthetic, I think, but just always something to notice when you're, talking about like high quality, expensive products. Okay, so basic stuff here for you to put your name and contact info, and then on the inside, there's tips. So it starts straight away with tips. How to get the most out of your bullet journal. It recommends watching the videos on bulletjournal.com. do what works for you, less is more, review and review again. Those are all good tips. I won't read all of the details. And then it goes straight into the index. And here it has a basic information for you to do the future log, which is one of the main parts of nature bullet journaling. And then in here you can see that they use this type of dotted grid instead of lined pages, which helps you to make the symbols here and to use the bullet journal in ways that it's designed for. It has page numbers in the corner. And then in the back, let's look at this. In the back, there's after over 200 pages of bullet journal, that's quite a bit. Paper feels pretty nice too, a little bit slicker than I like, but this should handle some ink. I'm hoping to use micron pens in here without it bleeding through. I'm not going to be doing any wet media. And here in the back, there is a whole section that looks like it's just going to describe everything, so I might not need to refer to the videos online. But it talks about, there's an introduction, rapid logging. It talks about the different symbols, the collections, the monthly log, the daily log, the future log, migration, and some reasons why you should bullet journal. That's about it. So it's pretty simple. Let's see if there's a pocket back here. There is a pocket back here. I like those. You can put little notes or whatever in there. Keep other pages in there, loose pages. So I'm going to go ahead and start experimenting with this. I'm really excited. I haven't tried something like this brand new in a while. This, I think, is going to be something that would appeal to people who like organization and other types of journaling or planning on paper and analog ways, or productivity tools might be interesting for people like that. Ooh, here's another cool thing that I should check out here. There is, unlike a lot of Moleskines, for example, it looks like there are 3 different colored bookmark things here. So you can probably have one of these for the future log, and the monthly log or whatever. So there's 3 nice fabric bookmarks that can be put down in different places in the book. So that is really nice. And I'm going to go ahead and jump into this, and I will share this process with you in case you're interested. If you've already been bullet journaling for a while and you have anything to teach me or any ideas, please post a comment. And if you want to see more videos about bullet journaling, check out these 2 videos that I picked from popular creators.